Hey! In front of me is Xiaomi 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Then you need to select Dual Apps and tap on Create. Over here, click on the switchers next to apps that you wish to clone. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. Then just turn on and wait. Now when I go back, I can see that Opera was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!